Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix your camera in Google Meet so you can look your best and join meetings without any issues. First, check if your camera is working in other apps. If it isn't, the problem might be on your device camera itself. Make sure it's not covered or disabled. On desktop, click the three-dot menu in Google Meet. Then go to the setting video and make sure the correct camera is selected. Sometimes the wrong device is chosen, especially if you have multiple cameras connected. On mobile, go to your device setting, then go to the Google Meet app permission. You can directly go from here in Android and go to the permission and check the camera and microphone option are turned on. Restarting your browser or app often fixes minor glitches. You can force stop the app or disable and enable the app. Also, close other apps that might be using the camera at the same time. Close all the apps that might using the camera, and that's it. Now your camera should work perfectly on Google Meet. If this helped, like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.